Out here again, y'all. My favorite place to be, apparently. You know, I wanted to show you though. See the oil change spot across the street. I could easily get an oil change that says right there, $24.99 or $34.99 with a complete car wash. All right. I should have seen that sign over there, the Super Lube. Right, but then you come to Autozone.
Thursday, looking Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
I'm about to spend $35. Hold on. I'm about to spend $35 on just my oil. Forget about $35 on the full oil change with a car wash. I'm about to spend $35 on just my oil. And after the Seafoam, it's been a couple of weeks. The car is running real sluggish at this point. What I wanted to show y'all was that, or the main point of this video is about the oil and about checking your wires. And it's kind of hard to see, but you see that wire right there? It's actually clicking. It's setting off a spark. And it's actually it actually shocked me, honestly. So it's a little bit. This got to get taped up to the ground, and then I have this positive wire right there. You see it? It has a slit in it. I'm trying to figure out. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna buy it right now. All right. I'm gonna put it around here, I guess, so it doesn't touch. But that doesn't keep it from touching this metal if it had to. It's a little bit annoying right now, honestly. I don't know how it even got like that, but I have to figure out the best way to connect all of these underneath this metal wire in the future is the brake line. And it's funny, actually one of them has zip tied to it, so it can't be that bad. But the heat from this line is apparently setting off that burn, and it's making. I have a misfire in this car. I had it for a while. I changed the spark plugs, but the wires, but that could be an old wire, honestly. I mean, so the thing is, this is a V8 engine. The kits that they sell in Autozone come with only 6 connectors. I'm gonna see if they have the 8 connectors. I could change all 8. But that's where we're at right now. I mean, if I get the 6, I get the 6. I just change that 1. So that's something to worry about, right? That's something to definitely check your spark plug wires. I said I got electrocuted. So main point of that was I could go across the street and spend the same amount of money, but I won't know my problems, right? You got to fix your own car. Right? This man's bullshit is horrible, man. But whatever. You got to learn to fix your own car. I can take it across the street. I don't know what oil they're gonna use. I don't know how good it's gonna be. Yeah, it'll be done fast, and I don't gotta do the work. But not really getting better. Last time I was going from STP. I went to Quaker Steak. Then I went to Valvoline. Daily Protection 5W20, right? And it's full synthetic blend. And then now I just walked in and I see 5W20 and a full synthetic blend advanced. I don't know what the hell difference between advanced and daily protection, but we got to get better, right? So I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy the advanced, and we're gonna see how good this truck does. Also, got to buy a fuel injection cleaner, and I got to check my transmission fluid, buy some extra fluid if I need it. These little things you got to check, y'all. You know, it's not that hard. Got to do it. So spend some change. I ain't gonna lie. I just checked the transmission fluid. It's good. That's a good sign. That means that there's no transmission leak in this engine. And the transmission fluid change and oil change that I did was a good job. Right now I'm low on coolant. I changed my spark plug wires. I'm gonna tighten up my spark plugs while I'm down there. So buy a coolant jug. No transmission fluid, oil filter, spark plug wires. Ooh, and then the AC resistor, hopefully, because my AC stopped a couple days ago. This is what happens in the summer though, y'all, man. I'm not really going crazy. You just gotta learn how to overcome it. Let's see though, let's see. Gotta get some air, I'm leave it like that. Don't go inside. Coolant. So I also got $5 reward. No, $20 reward, sorry. And this one says $5 bonus rewards. But this is the one I'm getting though, which is ironic. The advanced formula. They got the high mileage, which I don't use anymore. We're gonna use the advanced formula. Hopefully that works. That's another thing I gotta check too. Universal is yellow. Yellow mixes with any coolant. And the black one. Hold on. I just learned it. So yeah, I know the yellow tops and the black tops. I think the black tops are orange coolant. The yellow tops are green coolant. I'm not sure. Mixes with any coolant and color antifreeze. Yeah. And then I guess this is the orange one. Alright. We're gonna. Oh, high running. $10, $12. And I gotta buy the $12 one. Whatever. Like I said, I just spent some change. How do we know what color this is? Yellow? I don't know. Never buy Quaker steak, yo. Never, ever. Oh, that's what I got. Spark plug wires. And I need a injection cleaner. That's this one. A fuel system. Switch up to 30 rounds of gas. I might get this one. Buy one, get one 50% off. Deep clean pouring top to bottom to fuel chain. Yeah, okay. So I guess we're gonna get two of these. See if these work. You know, Lucas, gotta make sure everything good. Upper cylinder lubricant with injection cleaner. That one might even be better. Oh, they got the Seafoam one. I don't know. I already tried these. I don't know. Where do you put this one at? Let me see where you put this one at. Let me see. Loss of fuel, current power, burns pistons before. Yeah, exactly. This is exactly, I think, what's happening to my car. Using pistons, rates. So where's the directions, though? Where do I put this at? Yeah, so approximately 3 ounces for every 10 gallons of fuel. Do not overtreat, overtreat will not be harmful. Okay. Contain special cleaning brands. Should be paid for $7.50. Yeah, man, I don't know. I guess I have to ask about this one. Fuel treatment. Yeah, I guess it's gonna go into your. It's gonna do the same thing. But they both Lucas oil, so. So, oil change number 5, 7 or 8 months, I believe. I use Seafoam. This oil is black. Oh shit. Yeah, I have the Seafoam, very black. Full oil change. Let me get the new one. Switch it out right now. A new filter. It's an old filter. I mean, I don't want it to fall. I gotta just get dirty with super hot. It's a couple of turns. Woo! Start burning. I know a lot of people say to fill up these filters. I never do. I always let the car run after. There is stuff that I do want to improve on though, like writing the mileage on these tanks. I always forget, honestly. Like even right now. Just a bunch of turn, just enough. Put your hand. You can turn it out in the future if you have to, but good. And it's pretty much done, guys. I mean, filters in, cleaning up wires and stuff, leaks. So it's nice cosmetically. And done. Oil change. So all we gotta do is add the oil. Let's do it. So we are done with the mechanical part of it. What's good, Mark? What's up? What's up? All right, car is up. And now I'm gonna get a funnel. There's a certain funnel that I like to use, the quick fill funnel. And I just pour all that oil in and it just dumps into the engine at its pace. Very fast though. You know, this is the funnel I was talking about. Quick fill. But I'll clean this in a second. But very fast pours with this. You gotta worry about no spillage. I wanted to show you this dirty funnel right now, but anyways, this is the oil after Seafoam, man. Disgusting, man, disgusting. But hopefully she does good after this. That's it. But yeah, it's gonna go right here. Easy funnel, easy pour. Watch, real simple. Perfect. Now it's a quick fill. So what I do is, I'm trying not to be messy, but you could if you want. As fast as you want.
Yeah, that's a good funnel.
Oh yeah, great funnel, look. No mess, pull it right in. How long it took to fill it up?
Okay. What kind is that?
This is about
5W, oh, okay.
But look, just how quick that shit was.
That's a good ass funnel.
Pour it in this one. Good for you. I don't even know my work. Not right now. Oh, that's funny. That's that, yo. So look, cap full. Turn it on now. That's done. Yeah, so now we just let it run. Let everything go through the system. I gotta do the spark plug wires, but I don't know if I'm doing that today. And yeah, man, this is after Seafoam. This is all that gunk. Look, it's prickly things inside. I don't know, man. That's dirty as hell. We had to put the new one in, and hopefully this valvoline does everything I needed to do. It's been running pretty good with it, with the regular one, so this one should be even better. It's gonna settle down very soon, and job done on that one.
think this is my last video on this truck as far as oil change is concerned. That's 5 oil changes or 6 oil changes in a matter of 7 or 8 months. I had this vehicle. It is driving dramatically different, so I guess keep on changing it earlier. So it's a good key. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all.